I started my prison terms, let's say in 2003, and off and on, this last one being a sentence of 12 years that I served in various different institutions, places like Solano, New Folsom, Corcoran, Old and New, Wasco being my reception center, and a few other institutions. I think there was Pleasant Valley, now that I remember, where I served some time in the hole is what they called it. It's solitary confinement. And those were all due to reasons that being in the institution, there's certain obligations that one's required to do if they're trying to survive, without, of course, any knowledge of God. And I say that because I've had a turnaround, and this is because God. I was 23, I believe, if I'm correct. It's been a long time. I'm 41 now, but I believe I was 23 when I first went to prison. I was very negative, very low self-esteem, and this is what all mounted into my need for a criminal activity. My gratitude is in the Lord, first and foremost, because of the fact that I've been given a wonderful opportunity all over again. You see behind me, I have my family with me, and one thing we appreciate is the fact that we're together, not just materially speaking, in the sense that we unite and we have pizza or food or play volleyball or things like that, but we also have that unity in the Lord because we all serve the same Lord. I'm living proof. I'm living proof. Everybody that knows me or has known me, they know that what I'm saying right now is unbelievable. I don't even believe it sometimes. It's a trip for me. Just to be able to walk up those steps into the church is amazing, and I cannot say it enough. It's the most wonderful gift God has ever given me. Trust in the fact that no matter how bad it is, no matter how horrible you think you might be, it's never that bad as long as you're breathing. Trust and believe that. I mean, I was in a place where I shouldn't be here. I really shouldn't. It's shameful to me to even have to admit that I lived a certain way. And it is. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed of it. But if my experience can express to the world that there is hope, that there is a way, that you do have a chance, that you are worth something, then man, I'm gonna do it because it worked for me and I want it to work for you. And that's the only reason I come with this interview, is because my hope is that my experience, what I've been through, can motivate or encourage or even replace what was hopeless with a little bit of hope. Thank you guys for allowing me this opportunity. God bless you.